When you join her, you stay clear because you say you get picking for there.
Power tap, everybody power tap, please, everybody, massive.
So she did do all those things all those while. You get one time, I can't call her, tell her, say, this is the way they do, so it's not good. To tell you, say, me, I know the quarrel. You don't talk for Monica platform several say we know the quarrel. Okay, true, we know the quarrel. I can't call and say, I know they do this thing. I can't confess my elder brother, conference the Omomebo, both she. More will finalize this matter once and for all. Say this kind of thing not good because now my name go the day say the woman will born for you. Now they draw family leg come out. So after we can't talk everything, she can't promise us say he no go ever talk for Omomebo matter again anywhere where they carry the platform. We even apologize to her. If Omomebo offend you, forgive her. But that thing where they talk, say Omomebo, now say me I not marry you. Now lie. Or if we should not say not your Omomebo, now you do it personally. Because
okay, wait, don't vessel. She the verse say now Omomebo say me you not marry her.
Yes.
Okay, now that one be a grievances. Say Omomebo start say me you not marry her.
Yes.
Okay, wait.
Monica they talk. Wait. She go Monica platform, give Monica the talk. He climb up, start to the shout. Say, hey, Monica, you know why you matter now. I want me to talk for this matter. Oh, mommy, now 47 years in day now. Oh, mommy, both say me, brother, no marry. Huh? So people come to comment, say, no, be mommy, but when
okay, wait, may I ask you a question? Now, mommy, both say me, you not marry her.
My brother, be push and start boy. I not be all those two boy when my sister or mother go to tell say, oh, you go marry, you not go marry. If woman good to you, nobody will tell you me you not marry her. Everybody know waiting be fine for life.
That's love is blind. That's what I call love is blind.
As me, they are not be small picky when my mother go talk, say marry. My family not even be like that. Bring your wife, I go bless you now. But settle down, check well. You know understand?
Yeah.
Now be the thing. When thing happen to her, this girl day, when I jam her, I don't know jam her, my dear land there. All the story where they talk, what she know about me. Now about 8 years ago, when she didn't know me. He said they adoro. That time I really they adoro. If person come abroad, first the most 90% of people chop adoro. You know understand? Then I did adoro camp. Then you expect after 11 years I go still the adoro camp. You know say she's stupid. Everything we know 8 years ago, the camp where I did 8 years ago, then she did measure when me don't pass there. You know, even when I get document, I can't show the document for her. This girl be the hard say not the document. Pink color, I show her everything. I not follow her because one thing, she never wanted me to progress. I deal with them, I not get document. When I move, now I can't get document. You waiting happen, what really cause quarrel between me and she not be me, she will even leave her now. She not ready for life because her S, woman saying get the S for you. You see, they call her S. You know that I say this guy did not make sense. I go deal with you, you go they call your S, you go bless and maybe the mugu. You understand? I can't bring this matter even before my elder brother. My elder brother can't call him. You hear me?
I hear you, Baba.
They hear me?
Yeah.
My elder brother can't call and tell us this guy is not good because you still call you best. My brother tell me. My brother can't talk. He don't say hear this matter from a reliable source. You know what he answered that one because you don't get respect for anybody. Nobody for a family with the respect. How much not say now we want for respect. He tell my elder brother say nobody go fit tell him. Make him not speak to his S again. I don't want to measure the S here. Yeah. You understand?
Yeah.
He tell my brother, the company my brother say, this woman not just get respect. You not sure saying go talk for the matter again. Now you know, now you where should I know? You know where they pay you. So even one time I can't talk to mom. Now this one mom even when me and quarrel, now this one mom go even settle us. This one mom way they say, now say me I live at.
Yeah.
Could do see waiting? Could do they say this girl? 7 of one of my brother and my brother friends now you don't sleep with her. I
know you were 7 of waiting.
And what?
Wait, you say 7 of waiting. 7 of your brothers. Wait. 7 of your elder brothers don't sleep with her. I know you were.
No, 7 of my elder brothers and family. One of our family is like the rest of my brother friend.
Wait. 7 of brother friends and 1 family member inside the 7 of them. Don't fuck this don't chop this your baby mama.
Yeah, not be said that one. I don't even talk about now. What they do to make people mad because normally this kind of based on say don't go for there. I just they try to cover. Even this David where they talk the matter. So anything where they talk now.
Wait. I don't understand. 7 of your you see the boss man. I don't vex my brother. 7 of your relative and 7 of your brother friends and 1 relative inside 7 of them. They chop this your baby mama. It toto juicy. Yeah, I be toto me pete. But also no, Here, one guy, I be me Ghania.
Oh, one guy. I even get proof of when she use her mouth to talk. Come one form like say nothing the hair. Now today now don't put be easy why you pull it. This one. No, I get the proof. I did black for you. When she use her mouth, it confess.
What did she confess? What did she confess?
He measure all those people. They say, "Hey, now that one, yes, he pull it. And see why he drive this one. See why the other one come. Say now that one, the other money nine portion. The other one, I tell her say no get nine portion. Later I find out say get nine portion. 7 of my brother friend. This one not be outside that. So
7 of your brother friend.
We don't flip with her. Say no, they let me talk this thing. And you know what they talk about?
Nesta, still carry follow put body until they beat you. He still go carry David wife. Listen, wait, when I listen to what they prefer with bros. Esther carry David wife. Till they beat David. Till they beat David wife. Ex-wife. Esther carry ex-wife of David. Till they beat David wife. Now this your ex baby mama now. Still go meet Esther again. Esther this is a low boy. This no work boy. Who never see you. If you never see in life, I feel they talk and say, person where they disturb you, this are your family. Person where not know you not fit disturb you. People where they disturb you, one this are your family. People where they sell you out, one day your family. You feel not know. My people, Esther, you need to go confess. Well, hey, bros, they talk.
I won't tell you, Tori.
Mama, I greet you. I beg you. I go for you to talk with Mama. English, Mama speaking. Give me everybody for carry everybody.
Good morning, happy Sunday.
Good morning.
I wait to talk. This brother they talk, and that woman we they talk to now your fans. But the priest fans where woman here.
Who be my fans? Wait, who be my fans?
Yeah, a fancy way.
My sister, see why I know they like more of the bias. If that woman are my fans, listen, fair wait. Fair wait to bros, listen. If that woman are my fans, and the way you talk, so are my fans. Normally, that woman supposed to call me if you get problem with a momable family. The woman supposed to call me and tell me, say, see what they play. We'll know as what they settle the issue. But you say you be my fans, you never call me one day. Something they happen to you, and you know, say me they defend this family where they pull life for her head. Because of lie, this woman lose the husband, everything can become problem. If mama even lost a mama because of lie, so many things where they put for this woman. Okay, me come out now, cause they rescue this woman because of the lie where they put for her head. That my fans now where they join star now. You not supposed to come and say, bro, see what they pay me. Now because of you, you be my I like you well.
Now make me.
Why you not come call me?
Now may you message and may you phone message and
message. I don't know my message. My sister.
If they call you, even they climb.
My sister, wait. If they carry this guy case, can't give you. Wait, my brother, wait. Bros, wait. If they carry this guy matter, can't give you madam. How you go take settle around? That you this guy get na your fans or na your friend. Listen, my sister. If this guy get na your friend and you now you get problem with your own family brother or family friend. Now, this your friend not call you. You can't go join your enemy. They beat you. Later, how you go take do that kind of friend? What do you do for if you be that kind of person?
Don't pray. Ask me cursing her. She never curse you for that. I know message you. I not talk to you.
Curse me now that they talk for you. You know, so now they give Esther strength. All those lie when they tell Esther. Now make Esther see they get strength. You don't know, say me don't finish Esther before. Esther can't go warlord this one come out. This one going to give her strength. I don't want. I never want to saga the woman sister. I never know. I don't want to give her population. That make me never saga. Because if I come for that woman will enter us. Not be lie. And maybe susu. May go ask question. Why no one you give her time? You just say this one not born for the family. If like they manipulate this one, the woman don't know what she they do. If she know what they do, as my person will come in my fans, you call me. Not be pretending fans. Call me. Me they fight for people when me don't know. You will be my fans. Why not fight for you? Okay, wait. Now the man will born for at the top. So my sister wait more here for the husband. May you meet your side. More here for the man will you see born for. Bro, stop.
Don't please, I beg. I want to ask this woman, so this lady, so question.
Don't go.
Madam.
She did comment section. They hear you.
Okay, where you born put? They saga your husband, may I say your baby papa, mother, we don't die. They swear for her. and me and you not get problem. You climb up. Not be only my sister, you decide that now you start to join the Lagos on my mother. Then you dey measure all of us, all the children name, they swear for all of us, a family agon, a family undan, they name in Oro. Anytime we just enter social media, they use my name, they shout. Me, I did country for more than 12 years now. Nobody know me. You know why? Because I did on low key. I just try to hide myself. Even the mobile way that they talk, so 90% don't even know me for I as in brother. Say this my brother, that's the picture be. When the matter happened, they started. Could you be say because of this matter, I can't call this guy. Say stop insulting my family, stop insulting my mother. They were there for the insult my mother. You climb up, go they join them, they swear for my mother, they measure all of us, name they swear for us, which I've never done. Now one and now say one voice record giver. Now you take place come out. I don't say they threaten me before say now you go carry my picture come out for Facebook. Say now Facebook they settle my matter your matter. Me I do not get anything. I don't move. I don't marry legally. Me and my wife dating tomorrow.
Okay, it don't wait. She don't really threaten you. Say she must carry come out for social media.
Because he knows say I don't look. I know they like all those things. So it don't be like say he want force me. Me I come marry him again. When she knows say I don't marry, he still the one.
She knows say you don't marry. Oh, she still defend you.
Tomorrow, yeah, for a man, according to a statement now, they said the woman leave me. I married a woman 2 years ago. The woman don't leave me. Me, I married 6 years ago. And me and my wife till we die. Nobody, nothing, no power.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, my brother. By your house, nothing will scatter that your house in Jesus' name.
Amen, my brother. Oh, what she they talk about me now about 8 years ago when she know we don't pass there. I don't upgrade. You know what they call upgrade? I'm not supposed to talk on social media. She don't over to push me. I just want to make her still explain my mouth.
Okay.
Say, getting good. You carry my picture, go give my enemies. People will decide my mother. You carry all my details, go they give them. Make them protect
Okay. My people, bros, wait. Bros, 1 minute. Make una ask the woman question. Waiting this man do now. Wait till bring all this thing come out. Wanna ask that woman question. Waiting be the real problem now. Wait be say this your baby father do you now after 8 years. Where you can't be saying that now you can't remember how to take Sagara for social media. Come and tell the world. My sister, you first come my platform and you don't be my enemy. You don't be my friend, not my enemy. You first come tell me. Wait till this man do you. If you dey hear me now, I'm gonna record here, give whether they hear, I don't know. Go tell us, wait till this man do you now. If not be, say, in life now your asshole be your problem. In life, if you dey get problem anywhere, before you dey face outsider, check your friends, check your brothers, check your family, check everywhere for your corner. Person dey one corner where be say e dey give you problem, but you know they know. Now this case, many people take wise for life. If anything happen to you for life, one person dey corner where know you, where they bite you, where you don't know. It don't happen to so many people. It don't happen to so many. You to say this woman now not come out for live video now. If they say things, they give Esther coded. Esther they bring her come out. We not gonna know what they say now. This woman they stand make this woman now they supply Esther something. But the God where they follow Don Prince now they bring this woman out to confess. That's spiritual confession. Everything this woman is doing today, my brother, don't let her pain you. She's confessing to the world that she's an evil woman. She's a woman that no man can stay with. Any man stay with this kind of woman, that man is idegidege, that man is a boloha, that man is a mokudu, that man is a begbegboa. Azua. Because a woman that you say you claim you born for a family. Now, the woman not beat you, not they stay the same ass. Una not they stay the same country. Wetin come be the problem? You say you be the man, you the man now. You see and say the man they come for my platform. That means say you there with me. You will come. Bros, don't pray so. I say Momebo brother. He come one day for your platform. Now me born for Momebo brother. I say, okay, wait till be on there, I will interview you. We will talk. Wait till be your grievances. You will tell me. Me will not tell Momebo brother. Why you will do this guy, woman, this kind of thing? Why you? I will talk maturely. But you didn't come because of the hatred where they would just say, this family, you must finish them. Many women, they do all those things for us. Some they cause their baby papa. The pikin way they waiting for us. For you to cause the pikin, they cause the pikin papa for the pikin present. And women where they do all those things, they are happy say that normal thing. It's not normal. You cannot be insulting your son, father, in his presence. You will be insulting your son, father, in his presence. You know what you are doing? Many women are doing it. You people should stop those things. If you know you people stop those things. Train your child. Don't worry later.
No, don't please hold on. I beg, no verse.
No, carry on, Baba.
That pikin when they talk so for now not be my pikin.
Why you deny more? Why you deny more? You worry more. Not be get pikin.
Yeah, yes, you know why?
Madam, they don't deny your pikin. The man not be get pikin. Okay.
You know why? Not be because of saga, not minor saga. If you just they cry, they go, make they cry, they go. I don't get that for all those things because now just one injection I give her she decrease. So you know why I say not be me get the pikin, not be say I want deny pikin, not be what they deny. And why or bag. You understand me? You don't mean anything. I did fruitful. That's why I feel the bomb. You understand the thing? I know he never reached 3 months. He don't this is how many years. He don't count many men. He don't carry money. 30,000 euros, 40,000. He no born for them. He jam he not reach 3 months. Now he ain't born. But one thing about this girl, this lady, after when he don't born, after long time I don't know who I deal with. Me no even know say that kind of person. That's why then I confess.
Power tap. Everybody power tap.
I not fit deny pikin there. As you just tell me saying get belay for me, I not fit deny pikin. But later I can't find out saying all the old people where she don't sleep with. How can't tell no say me get this pikin? Even one of my brother, they listen. My brother they come from Africa. I can't tell me help me bring something from Africa. As he bring the thing from Africa, he can't say make I come Belgium. He can't say if he come Belgium, but one of our in friend they come Belgium. Say make I look for who help me collect. I can't call this girl. Say okay, somebody they come for Belgium. You want to bring something for me? Take the number, help me call her, help me collect her. She can't go collect the thing. I don't even know say the best way my brother just send one of our family friend. That boy said don't still sleep with her. After she collect the thing, she not tell me say he know that guy don't still sleep with her. Me come surprise that one come call me say we are not again. Now say woman men no, woman that time she get belly. Now say yes. He say he get waiting talk. I don't want to make sure people name. Understand? I don't know why the person talk so you get one time with this guy do they misbehave. My elder brother come call and say, you're not supposed to do this. You deal with my house, you get belly, still they call you your ex. He say nobody fit tell her. A lot of things where they if you get belly, still they carry belly, go they do a shower. He go they before me when me not like say one go with the follow before say me and another 2 men when they sleep with him, he go pay him better money.
I know you well. This girl tell you what you say the girl tell you talk and I know you well.
When they follow.
The girl say Oyibo she dey follow.
This one a woman wey get belle whether way the newborn say the Oyibo wey dey follow tell her say me another 2 boys come dey sleep with her come dey chop am say go pay her better money see offer wey woman that kind woman na you go marry am. I
don't understand. Wait. I want make my people understand. Wait, this woman wey claim say him born for you allegedly now. One I got that day. He say Oyibo when they say me. You and 2 other men, one I call the knock out together. They will both go the look now.
Yes, they go pay her better money.
That means that you go pay this your woman better money.
Every word where they talk, so if I lie, me today, make my life no better. All those things, don't you pull me out because I hide myself. Since you don't bring me out,
Jerry, wait, my talk, bro. Jerry. The listing now, woman where your person where your woman they support, now that they expose now. Now don't say the man never come expose and seize. Now because they do chichi. I pray make bloggers carry all these things. I pray make people they carry all this waiting the apple so. Now these bros don't come talk your part of the story. Jerry, they listing you. Jerry, not for say not they see what this bro they talk because we are now. And now we are supporting nowhere. The woman they your way platform now. They talk rubbish. Now that they expose and I say. The woman where they your platform, where they on the platform, Jerry, he say, this man say, he beg and say, and 2 other men, may they come the chop and person where your newborn for being he get belly, say, he go when he say, he go give her big money if he do want to run. He said this, the woman now come they beg this guy. I go post her, I need, okay, well, what post here in case of reference to come. Because me don't do my one, I don't post to. Now let TikTok hear me the post. Me not the post. So now if blogger carry on, now they are locked. Go me post. One of the feel say maybe na sometimes ahead. Now if na carry on, now one of the carry. Him way extreme yo. What? Make people they see what they happen for the world. When they hear me so, one of the carry on. They don't know because now this bros now that woman phone saying born for, and this bro they talk everything with all he had, and they see they. Say if he laugh for everything when they talk so, and Jerry they listing now. Jerry will pretend say no the year. O be anu wa Jerry. Amugyo who when I know baby platform way. Now me and one I atamu when I with different male way. Now the woman have to tell her that way or dove everybody of far away 2 men join you na be 3. Make na they chop me for the Igbo president, you go with the locals, you go the use until they come. Because many Igbo, they get some day they flog woman, some day they piece of woman body, some day they shit for women body, or Igbo they do different things abroad. Whether na rituals that they use to do, we don't know. Now, this woman now come and say, oh, my husband, oh, Igbo give me offer. You want me 3 people they shop me, make it yours, oh, Igbo me the razor. Make it for come. This bro say not doing. Bros, tell them again. How you see it happen? I bet tell them.
She called me, tell me say, you go in the follow. Tell them say, me and other 2 boys, come they sleep with them. Say, in go pay them better money. You understand?
Yeah.
So now tell them say, you know, say me not day into all those things. One of the 2 way make body the pepper and be that. Just tell me now, waiting she they fight me for. Me and you know the guy don't move on.
After 8
she
years.
not green move on.
After 8 years, she not green move on. And Esther would Esther not the move where my brother. Esther would they tell mommy but move on. Esther after 8 years.
Toto don't move on, but heart not green move on. Now I can't believe what Mama 3D they talk say baby mama not they move on. I not they believe her before. Now I can't know say yes this thing. Now in Toto don't move on TT. But the heart not green move on. He not green leave me.
He Toto don't move on. He heart not move on.
He not green move on.
Okay, Esther where they tell Omomebo say Omomebo move on. Okay, why you not tell this baby mama move on after 8 years? After 8 years, wait till baby mama see the drag baby papa for. You know they drag her for money. You know what you call the drag her for now? Jerry wife, you know tell this woman make them move on, but they tell Omomebo where they never have reached 7 months where they take quarrel. You never have reached a year. You say me Omomebo move on. Omomebo move on. Ben why Jerry Ekpomo ben why? Look at the people you are bringing. Even with your back boy adulterous. Even adulterous in that would that David. Una are adulterous woman the back boy. Oh no nana, I the exposing nana. Una be the back boy. Who are Even keke wa give you here. You not my fans, so not toss it my fans. Not trying for your life. Not try and save my fans. Not try. If you talk and save my fans, Ogu will kill you. Oguoba will kill you. Ogu Yokore will kill you. Oguovia will kill you. Iyekore will boy. Ulele fake boy. What's your bunny? Not to save my fans, so as you're the craze, so you're the craze they go. If you toss it my fans, if you toss it with my fans, a fans is done him a son, a fans is done him avant, a fans has zone. A fans is no only progress with him, a fans is not only do him, who can be boy a dohuna, who can be boy a devoye, who can be boy a devavant, when who can a wakanya, who can la wa go back bijou, who can la wa go back bijou, when who can a kanya video. Madam, come at me, saga me. I will tell you how saga be. Bless you want to do presenter, don't worry, I will use you to do presenter. You hear me so? When you work now, any day you want to ask, any day you, I don't want to saga you, but any day you stop this saga what you do so. If you stop in the morning, you go kill you the afternoon. If you stop in the afternoon, you go kill you the evening. If you stop in the evening, you go kill you the night. If you stop in the night, around 6 o'clock in the morning, you go back with yours and you again. Continue to fool yourself. Continue to fool yourself. Any kawa expose waya have bad baby mothers. Any kawa continue to expose man. Any evil baby mama in our life, God expose them. As you are exposing this woman, so Baba, any bad evil baby mama in our life, continue to expose them. Continue to expose them in the morning, expose them in the afternoon, expose them in the evening, expose them in the night. They shall wake up and be exposed. Shout hallelujah, somebody. Been a bewa. Aya bros, continue your talk. Go yo. Bros, don't go. Bros, it's bad, man. Bros, that's it, bros, don't move.
Hello, you hear me?
Okay, still there. Talk to me. We even know Baba.
Yes, I said since I was born, the man you man not to giving like a woman now. You know what she did.
Because why? You have a first time a Tori, we are born to Tori, so they will rap together now.
thank God for my life because all mommy but tell me about the when you marry. When I marry again, I with my sister. You need beg a book now, a victory. You know, one of the even when the year that woman, I was not having document, but this woman was having document. Oh, we a PM, no, I was any man in me will need document because I know say this woman by mistake give me document. I don't finish. You know, by woman where you are in the house, you go still call you. There's nobody fit talk to her. Even in brothers, I know how many times.
Now they call you yes and yeah.
Now that one cost for us now.
How many children you get? How many children you get?
Now that one, that is the whole. He said, okay, if not better woman, before I can't jam you, don't carry money, give man. No one agree, make you come for them. You reach where you said I make come for. Okay, after when me don't still leave you since then, you never still born join pikin, you never marry. My brother take that person be pressing.
She's 8 years now. She's 8 years. Your mama better move your She's 8 years. Esther, our mama better move your wow. You don't need your mock back here. Your mock back here. One picking the building. Woman no move your wow for 8 years. Man, we have been married. I'm married.
That's monkey, but he may give you a little way fasting to Sabbath get married, not making out your because if we marry your whole family,
you be able to do fasting and prayer. You be able to do fasting and prayer. Maybe for serious, maybe for come out for your body.
I swear, me I forget it because I know say this woman I born back to born back. Now because of her, I not did any social media. Maybe if you know the scene, you go forget me.
Okay, wait. Why she no one move on? Maybe after me move on, baby mama will move on.
When you or mommy no move. Women they don't want to they still carry them, they still want join the king. If she good, why all the men we don't follow? Why none of them marry? See, I don't want to mention name because all those people don't offend me. If I mention them now, no say 70% of those people now go know them. But I send one voice record give you, don't praise when she tell you that man take confess some no, I know say I know the life on head. Check the voice record. If you play as made a year, the man confess and he still the form the people say yes, now don't go now he reach to
send me the record my plan. Send me my plan.
Okay.
Yeah, me record do. Yeah, me record the 70 years old. 70 years record is about to come out. Mona set to na phone down.
Some of them, some people will measure.
Mona set na record down. Bloggers was set the record. Yeah, release a bomb. 70 years record. Somebody says 70 years record. 70. Read Esther. I have 70 years record. Banana. Esther. They want to play 70 years record. 70 years record. I have been 70 years record. Said my brother. Somebody holla 70 years record. 70 years record. Now what the holla now?
You never read that side.
You don't say that for me. You don't say that call.
Yes.
Okay, I'll call you back. My fair plan. I'll call you back. So, maybe person come up. Somebody should climb up before I will plan. Maybe my fair listen to her first before I will release that to the air. More no verse on me. You understand me? So somebody should send request. Oh yeah, what do bene? I be fancy level. Somebody should send request. What do I me and I mean? May I quickly listen to this record? Somebody should say. Somebody should send request. Hello, they are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me. Moderator level, you are. For now. I want to release that for now. Mona the list you. Person way this way, he did with ma for us. Are you ready? If you are ready, say yes. Are you ready to hear the record? If you are ready, say yes. Yeah, they are not hearing me. Yeah. Hello, they are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. Yeah. If you are ready to hear the record, say yes. Somebody say yes. Oh, two, you are ready, correct. If you know you are ready, say yes. I want to see them. If you know you are ready, Pastor Wafiviri, Pastor Wa. Pastor Wa.
Two, they are not hearing you. Two, they are not hearing you. They are not hearing you. To drink water. To drink water. Two. Elephant. Baby elephant is not hearing the praise. Baby elephant. You are not hearing two. Baby elephant. Go and where baby elephant. Baby elephant. You know they hear them praise. You know they hear two. Baby elephant. What the saga? Baby elephant is not hearing you. She's not hearing you. She's not hearing you. Baby elephant is not hearing you. Don't pray. They're not hearing you. They're not hearing you, baby. Baby elephant is not hearing you. They're not hearing you. Baby elephant. What this? Don't pray. They are not hearing you. They're not hearing you. They're not hearing you.
Oh yeah. And I was a pastor Donka. I enjoy me again. In that mama, my sister. Who are you about? Oh Manuel. Who are you about? Oh Manuel. Oh, I mean, no, we know. No, we won't give away. We say, we know, Yari go me, we see. What video? Why I need you go me video? In that one, why we see. So, may I release the record? Mona, listen to the record. Let's go. The woman is confessing now about the men when the chop. This is not the woman where they deal with Esther now. Where the man where Mayoto finish us now. When I listen to the record.
I get tried. Hey, Nikki Ba, I must again of go. I get tried. Yeah, if the ticket, yeah, go for you. Tell you who I will bet you go for yourself.
Now the year. Oh, what? Oh, you will. I will say. Oh, well, that boy. Oh, well, that boy. Who you will? I will say. Oh, no. Also, I'm not Moses then. Oh, when you will tell ya. Esther! Oh, no, banana dog, you will tell ya. Oh, Esther. Now, you know, Esther, when you will ya. Esther, who will have big boy. Esther, banana, who know you will tell ya. Oh, Baba. Oh, Egbo mebo wa miene, wa gbo. Oh, Baba. Egbo mebo. Ya miene sha. Maybe make more that day. Egbo mebo. Wa miene. 2026 is now. Also, I buy the victory go wa. 2026. Also, buy the victory go wa. Wa miene wa gbo. Woman, where the Jerry. Oh, no, you will hotel lele ya. Where you back? Bring all the babu where Jerry. Who woo? Jerry. Woo. Una woo ye ke. Oh, when you we will tell. When I may play, be blessed when I know ye. Ah, na let's not be me. No ye.
Boy, the big boy, everybody knows. Everybody knows. I'm going to fetch money to you. Oh, I get tried. Hey, Nikki Ba, I must again of go. I get tried.
Esther live live with you.
Yeah.
Esther live live with you. Esther don't rock live with you. Et Jerry ta mère ouais là wa. Depuis amour ouais. Esther live with you. Esther don't rock. Esther pomodoro. Esther pomodoro. Et Jerry. You not suppose me Esther dey talk. Imagine woman where they open left for different hotel. Oh, who work banana? Jerry, where sooner we no la wa? Jerry where la wa? Jerry sa bari okuno magi Jerry. Sa do bari okuno magi Jerry. Ege Jerry hu yo ha. Gesta hu yo ha. Ge pomo wi o han. Ge pomo vendo. Baba ne baba. E ge pomo iga ga vedo. Awe pomo ga vedo baba esta awe pomo iga vedo. E pomo we reduce in Benin. Esta na wa awe pomo wa veya. Pomo wo full everywhere. Jerry, ukwela wa. Jerry kwela wa. Jerry immense release audio Jerry wa kwela wa. Ime release audio for Jerry kwela wa we la reme kwela hina wono ji hotel wa nyiwelele ya. Wa gbomo mebo. Na ohun wa gbinana ye hu somo mebo. Jerry, ohun wa gbinana. Ohun wa gbinana ye hu somo mebo. Oh, what in you don't know Jerry. Jerry, you are not a man, you are not a traditional man. Jerry, you are not a traditional man. When we start a career. Look at the woman you are fighting. Oh, what in you from hotel, or when you pay hotel, you listen well, listen.
Boy, the big boy, everybody knows that everybody knows that we're 50 minutes. Oh, I get tried. Hey, Nikki Ba, I'm also going to go. I get tried. Yeah, if the ticket, yeah, go for you. Tell you who I will bet you are go for hotel. Only by begging my way for the alarm. That's not only by time. Baby girl, who is it?
My people, una believe say this girl now, Oliver will see this one now. Oliver come the trip. He not be say to war. When Oliver is now, this one fit girl Oliver contact at all. Where did Oliver when I go now? Because you want to spoil the man's name. You want to spoil. If the man don't chop you, you don't hold on to yourself. You don't hold on to yourself. Now you want to say Oliver and not where the Oliver and beg Oliver will to win na. Hey Oliver, I will Oliver be baba. Oliver, you are not hearing me. Comrade Oliver, you are not hearing me. Comrade Oliver, you are not hearing me. What a man! He's not hearing the prince. Comrade Oliver. Anyway, Wahala, yeah. He was defending. So, Egbe woman. Comrade Oliver, you are not hearing me. Where can you just imagine that? You are not hearing me, Mr. Oliver. Girl, you can twin and you don't know where you're claiming now. Can this one call you now? Or I'm gonna see where God, won't listen to the audio.
Oh, you see it? I can only sound one of them. Oliver literally made a Belgian. Oliver, I'm a sour wine in Belgium.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a sour wine in Belgium. I'm a second wife to Oliver.
Second wife. Oh, we're not going to second wife. We're not going to second wife. Esther di totasi. Wa gbele record the go well. Oh, we're not going about what the first man olare. Oh, ika suspect o ni no do agun ni. Madam is suspect where oh boy him. Madam, you where they can't call me what here? Even me we Monica kakabo. He suspect where madam. Esugusu him madam. I give say. Madam, we no tell about when they fast when no madam. Egun do we no yaka the media na. Madam, you what they fast when no pretend. Why so aka? Some of them will confess. Uwe fascine no. E fascine no wanyu e fascine wanyu lele hotel ya. Uwe wa nya pata le hotel. E fascine no the same room no pia. This not the same room no pia. Odo ya brag the public way and they give man key me come fuck me for say my wrong. Ogo ga gbe fascine no man ni gbe. E fascine no man gbe ogo ga gbe. E fascine no man understand. Ogo ga gbo ni no man understand. E fascine no man understand. Ule ezagaza ala we gbe. E fascine no le pretend we fascine hin oyeke owa. Uga owa ni bio. E fascine no enegbe no man. No supported don prince agboga ma wasuta. E fascine don prince no man agboga ma wasuta. E manos no ege don prince na onasi no e me do ya we ni. E na agboga ma wasuta. O gbaga ma wa, o goga ma wa. Omo iwu iwa wa, omo iwu iwa ode, omo iwu iwa imoto. Ayi giunda giwa. E na agboga ma wa o. Ave fascine no man. Ave fascine a zero so. Imanidiyan. Pretender fans. Imanidiyan. Eho agbiyan yi. Let's go.
I'm a second wife.
Second wife. Second wife.
I'm a second wife to Oliver.
Wow. A woman of Benin second wife. A woman of Benin second wife. Esther, de la dia, woman me bohia. We no Benin second wife. What me wana we bien otomomebo. Is a shame to Ohona. What you Ohona is it? When I write her name for there. My sister is a shame to your family. Is a shame to your generation. Is a shame to your entire family. What be her name? What be her name? What be her name? What did they call the woman name? No full leg bena. Nenika Orie la jano do confess na. Enika brought her to come and confess. She thought she want to do Omomebe family bad, but she don't know that Enika brought everything have reasons. Enika brought her out to come and confess to the whole world that she is an evil woman. No man should near her. Any man that near her, she's going to damage that man's future. Faith Osagi. Faith Osagi. When you are na, you are the bio. Faith Osagi. Asase woman one. When enwa we bina, elong ya bin the bio. Faith. When you are egbewe, me mega ave ozuo we. Era we na ya biozuo abioji. Era we na ya biozuo abioji. We na wa lozuori. Umame lojire. Oga ojire la ribana. Awoke ma obe fi we one day. Ozo fi we ye. When you ho one eri was the bio. We beg Jerry. Esther mo Jerry ria. We beg Esther yari adulterous. Ona move adulterous. Ona the bagbe ya wo David here. Now you not stand beside there again. Let me tell you, God will expose. Now God make David S.Y. come to drive David motor. Motor see what they happen. Now God do one. If to say no drive David motor, now they coded, they do this, they coded. We no will know. If it is same Esther something coded, nobody will know. If some people they say you coded, you know will know one day say that they do one. So God bring the S1 come out to tell Omomebo say this S. He joined Esther spoil my ass. Because the plan of the S now made that ass spoil. The plan of the S now make David drive Esther come up for that driving Omomebo made a quarrel. It was a plan. That was a plan. And he made sure say she succeed. You think say to succeed easy? Now juju and everything. If they see say the woman is too smart or the woman too get strong, they'll enter the man. They'll turn the woman. The man they see the woman like evil. They'll come turn the man. Anytime the man they see the woman, that's also verse in the verse. They do one. I mean, I be spiritual person. So they will do that man now. Anytime he see his wife, that's also verse with the verse. Not the way his wife would do to run away with the satisfy right again because I win. That is after they don't do it. After they don't pursue his wife come up for us. Now, the one way do the thing now, when he be done the agreement enter his shop before. When it that one they come, now he go say wow because now that one take more for us. Now that one now they come us now. That one come they drive motor. They only talk about why again. Now I say juju no they happen. Now we say juju no they wow. Now we say juju no they wow. The family of David, they leave David now. Make David you the we play and finish. May I play and finish? Make me play and finish. May I not analyze. I use 3 days to analyze this record. Let me see so.
3, 1, 6, 8.
I use 3. This record with the same also. This record with the same also. Now we many records they will say. Since the woman want me with dragon, we will make a virus more. Make the old still know. Laro go now. You want make the old work bawe? Abi when you act bawe? Na come on Jerry, you wanna film. So when I buy. Yagbai viedu, yagbai. Oni yagbai. Awoko no duekina. Oko no duekina. Ma show na. Hena. I see the woman where they do this thing so. Oh, warrior Dana is the woman. And I want fancy me. And I know where warada. And I know where rada. I fancy me. Wagbelele media ya. The old woman I see her. Mona see you oh, she says they pay for man, me ma can't chop am oh. Say they give my key. If they give my key, here he say, so the man now will come chop am. He say they control men. Now men they control, he not get problem. He say he can lodge hotel, me man can't chop am. Any man can chop at any time. And this kind one the born for person. Hey Baba, we don't die. And we bona. We don't go. Matter when you drag it. Although I will say, babe, can't say nobody want to talk to her. Now time my neck, babe, so that me know. I pray me the wash now. Shame not let you wash me. Because they never talk your story, that make you the Chris. They say, so shame not let you wash me, madam. See your life, see as you be. See. See, now a shower cap we you now. We are you we bo. And we bo and I'm a zelophy you. I'm you. A shower cap. What am a shower cap? What you want? Oh, we no carry 2026 after 8 years. Woman will not be move on after 8 years. Oh, okay, Jerry. Or after when move on. Wait, they never have signed divorce finish. You say me move on. This one after 8 years, I'm meant to move on. Hey Jerry. You were exposing her now. What to do what? You were exposing her now. If not be now, we know say David ex-wife. Na evil person. If not be now, we know this one say this one an evil person. He picking when he born now. The papa say not being born picking now. Your born then. If that picking grow tomorrow now, say where's my papa? What you will tell him? If the picking grow tomorrow now, say where is my father? The man you are insulting now, insulting his family. He say not being get the picking when you born for Ramadan. Why came your man no more odana? Omo pa so ba very no. Mami omo pie ba mo. The man will still give you the glory down today where be say the only one pick where the alleged the way say the man give you. That be the motherhood where you did today where be say avere when I ije the same person. We be now. Yeah, and we spend the go now. We spend the go now. None of them fit give you picking. None of them. Now let math if you dey talk to people who give you picking, who give you glory. Media very oh. Most of una for this media will always be women. Now who give una picking when make una mother? Now na the beat pass. But Sunday will be say they don't chop una money where. They not give una picking, give una anything. Now we free them. May everybody dey wise in any issue in social media. Not by saga. Some saga dey where you for the learn. Some saga dey where you will see things they read they happen. Everything is not your saga. They do saga. Yeah, we saga. Now they illiterate they talk like that. The wisdom one, some wisdom one who say it's a saga. Some evidence the day that they see truth. So it's a saga that they see truth. I'm telling you now. Because most people na grievances they take the talk. Through grievances, some people they will truth come out. See woman, when I see woman, we not going to move on after 8 years. A woman that cannot move on after 8 years. A man allegedly no more money where or money where die even any day you call your pikin, you call in name today. The man will make sure say you get pikin allegedly. Now the man you dey still where they insult him mama today. You see me that man forgive you. That man can never forgive you. That man can never forgive you. My sister, you born a bastard. A bastard emera. Omonya wane go isi no yak boa my sister. Go isi no yak boa. No picture we no go isi no yak boa. My sister, we see no yak boa. My sister, we see oh boa. We bury. We bazooka no yak boa, my sister. My sister, bazooka no yak boa. My sister is not hearing me. She's not hearing me. Oh money yak boa. Awa siye. We ya fie. Awa siye. Koro. woro. Pra. Oi se oya gbo aho na woro. Pra. Lare opo isi omonya ya gbo awo wie. Opo isi omonya ya gbo awafan lenu wera. Oga ri juwe we okana manwe. If na so your mama do your papa, now you go better for you, madam. If not be so your mama do your papa, now you come and say you want to use the man where give you glory, where give you one pikin, where you the carry go, you know fit born journal, and the man you want to shine. God will use it shine in the morning, God will use it shine in the afternoon, God will use it shine in the evening. As you dey confess, so you continue to confess, you continue to confess. If you enter, motor accident will damn you. Madam, any day when you enter us for this matter, imoto say to ga gbo everywhere, imoto say to ga gbo everywhere. Money eme me boya wu you obo. Imoto say ti be gbo money. Money am be benes ko ye. Money or the benes ko ye. Oh ya gwalere one day. That is story man. But where o me bastard will be for now. As far as I'm concerned, madam, o me bastard will be. The man said it's not his child. On me right no yata wovi. So we are so here. Yati egbe. Ume egbe no ati. Egbe di me pike ko we. Ume no elu awa so ne bie te webo. Uwe aga me gbi kene. E webo gu we na ngo na yezu ona. Oga Nigeria we je. Uwe aga me gbi kene. You born a bastard. Somebody like bastard. Omoe. I don't paro. Madam, you born a bastard. It's Wusu Wogwan. You are not her. Since Wahala saga, madam, you born a bastard. What am I picturing? You born a bastard. A bastard will be here. Madam, a bastard will be here. Will not be a bastard. Jerry de bagbe. Study bagbe a honku. Because here you are frustrating. You are not frustrating. You have your bagbe. You are not who have bon. Jerry we oh have your bagbe. Wahala wa. Jerry wala di bae wala wa. Na gbon mi gba wa. How can you carry somebody that you born for, no matter anything, and you know me? I dey see some video where they mention my name. You know me. You don't feel call me, say brother in Osunu, because of the evil acts. Who believe you are a mueladian. I don't want to fool. Il y a be HIV yo a picture. Oh no, oh no HIV. Them if you were HIV. If really, when they start a one HIV, we HIV madam, HIV ga gbo na. Madam, HIV no lebe men yi. Wana HIV, wana lebe HIV. And you put test that say me start say na HIV. Later, who away or here set, there is a video, not they give you to change. And we start posting a picture of HIV Lileya. Madam, I got HIV you a picture. A picture where I HIV finish here. Madam, we maybe saga. Allah we bena. So we saw our name. Very soon, a picture where ya HIV positive. I got many Lileya. So that any of not already me aware, is going to go and eat HIV. I'm not be Joe, but go there and collect HIV across. Madam, here face we see. Go there, collect HIV, and call us. In we picture we like that. Guess I'm not begging we see. We they know you well. I don't like person with no guessings. You might like on everyone. A baby mother we beg we ni sunu tak bang the glory we ya be. Wawa mwe bogbe ki mo picture ere. Wawa mwe bogbe. This one we saga continue. And to we saga continue.
So ladiane e faith glory o sage won be go wide the question was not going to be for platform to another platform who is so here one voice record digestion or you know wa make no wa tell no wa la we put pressure boy wa sun wo wa gbe o asawo we no vada the gang no vi here a queen adulteress where asawo ka mu wa gbon ya wa you no ya do hoye wa ga gwa wetu we saga na atenegbo na wa atenegbo tuzua uzua iwe ya giasenu enye amame no yimuwe o no nyamo wonu ya we nu ya biomoge no nyamo ave ma nu kiwe na imanu sunu ye ni ya koso wen ya we sheshe ge gangi nu ga kiwe na wo tun ya biomoge woni ya no no nyamo do aso e mana we mu go ne a we mu go no teme a mu go ne we mu go ne no mu go ne ge sheshe gre go mo si go nu ga so ni e ba we boy no do so nu so hu what wa be move on we marry wo na be marry we bie ba mo o meti bie ba mo wa so wo ya mo gbogbo ko no ga go egun ani oho ni ota wo egun o no we egun I beside no bu we ma when we jere obi kan ni je we ve besa wa eva hin obi aga gun o we ro obolodan wa so wu wa vie hia o te yu won wo tun ya sun iya ye stand ka pe yan me ke ni yan ri yan ye wu dan hin iya wu dan hin wo gbewu we
Utiane. Mo sugusugu. Wa chate sugusugu. Hello, my sister we sugusugu.
wusugu
Ohona. Ovi gedu no, ovi gedu. Igedu. That's why I like village. That's why when I was saga. Ovi gedu, lare. I will do a mission, or never miss when you do a beer. I have a ladia. That's why we saga. Ovi gedu. Gedu a keri. Madam, they will look at it. Igedu keria. You might come out at a dog priest. You might come out at a dog priest. You might to wear a settle down here. Essa be free here now. Ari we go vera. Na gbome mi gele gba we. Ni agba family we. Ni agbara gbaju we. Avie ya ladia now. Igedu keria. Mo na right hand there. Igedu where be Igedu for Benin. I village in Akesun. Where be Igedu for Benin? I want Igedu no Igedu. Anybody know Igedu? Hello, they are not hearing me. Yeah. Anybody know Igedu? One village we call Igedu. You know now. Igedu. Anybody know the village? Igedu village of Benin. It matters. Say what do man eh? Igedu at here. Igedu. People not there again. I don't listen here. Go. Nobody's talking. Hello, please. Are you guys hearing me? Yeah. Sagala chamuto. Igedu. I will be Igedu no. My sister, Obi Igedu here. Don't tell me, man. That's to was a baby father was well at you. I want to ask you well at you.
baby father guy bastard not be
No, as in alleged, as in. Even yata na, even yeta, but the baby father la jawe ehem yonya mo on the river. Now, Obi Igedu here. She's not hearing me. Egbe away, it is sagajia. Egbe away. Esta gwalo no bi sagana yo. Esta gwalo, me egbe esta wagogo. Esta we babala do bi sati seria e. Ge wa mo na wa ya. Ge wa agbola ya. Esta your joy now. Your joy now say it to say I feel carry this one now. Ni wa su we are go wa. On that way Esther. Esther on that way Esther na snake. Esther the apina. Say I want to this one saga. Esther never say we are getting very breathe. Since on the way that's one be otane I will bring this one story command. This evening. This one story, I will bring it out. Somebody said is Igiodu. Igiodu tells you why now God will bless you. This woman, they say she's from Igiodu village community. Woman for there go Wolo family come out. Otomake vuyamu, ma koto vuemu adi. Me no afa. Since you get family, after 8 years, you know if you move on this woman. 8 years, you might move on. Uwa the webo. Ugu welele ya. A record we are now. Went to you a different hotel. Benin woman at the talk. So Benin woman, responsible woman. You say you be responsible woman. You are telling the world how you take the open to for hotel. Now you be Jerry wife friend. Now you be Jerry wife friend. Jerry saying a traditional man. A Jerry Ogonbaragbo. Jerry, if you talk like against you be traditional man, we to banana do Ogonbaragbo. If you do a medo person, let me release this one record. Everybody, let's power tap. Nobody's power tap. We did the soap. Everybody share power tap. I'm send a gift in me. See my gallery, no gift, nothing. I will fancy me wala. I will gift in wala. Please, if you know I'm trying, when I go to recharge on a card.
3, 9.
When I go to recharge on a card, I want to recharge.
1, 9.
Yeah, fancy when you pour say what gonna.
Efet glory osage ai gbo eneve na usun vi atalokia e na ai gbo ese cause wo ma gbo depression gbo egone ma understand ai gbo eneve na goodbye baby papa don go okpa na eti eyide and money is a bastard and e lagbe ni egbe na e la o don go o ti lo eyide okpa na u finish na mugiyan abe sheshe ge nuga amuwo na mugiyan we no vada uzua uwa ene David makulo boju wowe e David we gbinana ye makulo boju wowe e David etu we keke na kulo boju wowe David o yunu e yata ye ga kulo boju wowe wokpa tue igiasenwe uzua ukekwa wa howa depression ha gbua bo igbu eba wa iso yina ya gbemi ju wa so yi okpa no pa na 8 years ya gwala bezuole nusungu ya gwala bezuole wonu bunya je zuole do ami ebeba won okpa ne odogun of a bent sofi bent a best sofi won zuo what glory bue e recent picture go mamion o dun 10 years ago o ya mi emuladian ati asiwe rieke wa salu wa baba ogun ogbo yiye kehu na make na gwala we muladia ya muye mortuary uka kekene no ragmo depression why we ya hin okunore we bona hina depression why you we ya hin dede na depression e deprepre woman wa gbe o wa sokia usowu manu sobu na yele bo ni ari enu e otun no jagmo je mi no America o le jawu uwa ho wa ya ga bo tun e usa gbuwa wa use umi celebrity ne utulemo de the family wa gbe o depression gbe go wonu na nuwe olunwunu we yeru weje we no ve ipi agbele ki ayi sese ge the same gang na muwe niya the same gang uzua uwu keke no ti agun uwu ma keke no ti aran wa agun republic we udiji wasan uwewe also na bi omo na egun wa kin ibesa no wa ya mo gbogbo for no time ya mo gbogbe wa gbe o wa sun baba olawe egbe we ya you se gba wa gba yeke u se na yuwe ya mbia bo tun lawe bo otun yin ise uwewe to fo o na gbigbe ga mu ge omo sigo sheshe ga Oliver o mai yere bere ni na ge we abaneze ya oyi gbo ya don want ne Oliver ma me okobo wa bo ga friend we ona suwe na ya maro no so mo na maro we de tu we mabua decide to wait already wala we na my daddy o ma be a friend we ma be awon ko to be suwe na be yari oho ni wo pa ti now ma ye marry ti now ma ye mie better man na be with introduction with our kin na be with introduction ero no wa zuo no wa howa gegbe wewe ge awon we local u local wu we local kun ya so to we local ya ge ba ye gbe beti u de gbe boot yan bet at this era u gbe boot u gba ye short nika u gbe boot u gbe beti be yan we are be bele don't know yo ya mu me u wa bele do wa ya say o my sister agbojo local champion the real champion who were first grade do agwo ma no sewe ma ni sewe ma ni mo wa ne ni gbera level we mo do le yan type una mo reji yan we o wa ku kesta kede ne queen wa ya wa o wa zuwa yan ma ewe wa fin awo go
Ivetin ne baba wherever are you people hearing me? More information landing. Nika ti family already. No eri so e va se so le ya.
3, 7, 7,
No eri
5,
so le ya.
2.
Okay. So my people, please, if you are hearing me right, yes, I want to make sure your mama children name. Make you know say no, maybe Don Prince. May I make sure your mama children name. May you know say na saga one start. Esther now what they happy now say hey Don Prince I like but when Esther the fees is you want feel now. Since you say you no fit stay ass, may you go take off your children. I first start. So now her real name is Glory. Use my one the see so. Her real name, one of the right have a comment section. I beg, everybody follow me up. I beg. I don't want more they pretend to each other. If you know you deal with me, deal with me. If you not deal with me, not deal with me. If you deal with me, they active. I beg. Please, if everybody are with me, be active. If I dey mention I'm at the right time, so that the bloggers they carry out or they see everything. Her real name is Glory. She is from Ugeudu village. Udoga, from Udoga area avenue, Udoga, in Uwode local government. This lady so. Her name is Glory from Ugeudu village. Even though I not mention her where she knows what they talk. She knows it does set. It does second. It does second. So now, from Uwode local government to Uwode local government. Nande, Uwode. Idoga commit name for call. Can you enter a family member if mother children? In mother children, now I want to make sure for now. So in mother children, if we don't make sure now, maybe for tomorrow we'll start to bring a picture come one by one. But I can see the useless family with this girl for come. Number one, Osaiti Ugeu the village. After the rata. Number one, Osaiti Ugeu the village. Your attention is needed, oh. Saga, they call you, oh. Or trust you are well at the oh. Osaiti, when you make the saga, ask for Akbele, HIV, the picture about, anywhere you go, maybe they hear, tank crier, they cry, come out, oh. I be tank crier. I say, man, I quick tell you, oh, because your sister, they draw your leg, come out. I want face her. I want to tell us I be Sugusu. I get Sugusu everywhere. Now, that time, Osaiti, Ugeudu village community. Your attention is needed, though. Number two, another of your brother. Osanoma. Wagmoyewa. Osanoma. Your attention is needed, though. Very soon, if you see your picture, the right HIV, not quarrel. Your sister now carry your alleged baby papa. Picture go give person make the poor HIV. So if anytime your picture come out, the poor HIV not cry because I be tank crier. I dey create awareness now, make una for the year. Mona share the live video. Osanoma, your attention is needed though. We'll go to the other one. Efosa. When I hear my story, I will not let Saka. Efosa. We areije ogun ogbo Efosa. Efosa de. Pamati otu alawa. Otu wa nyu elele hotel yakin. Pamati elawa. Enene noro egbe ni, agbe nene ni egbere. Enene noro tu egbe, agbe nene yo egbere. Efosa, are you hearing me? He's not hearing me. He's not hearing me. Your attention is needed though. Very soon. As one belle shavile le picture well, case one. Etakraya dokas osone o. Etakraya gwen. Owe or two one way picture one or mugyoman a blogger not a stack pomo. No bene e shavile le picture. When a guanana or voice work bene o. First to do in all the pain. A dopis at nhau imewe 32 me yagbe me 20 igbe 21 ale me ya ene. Una mwe 30 minutes. Uyi 30 una mwe picture go na gbaru api yo. Esther Who we are regretting, but we boy sa. E no di me do asie ma bai. O te no si aiku bai, but aiku con you sense. O te no si aiku, but aiku na smarter than you. And I say get relax. Oh we don prince akana, don prince oroe. Oh one man at a don prince. And now we are dey ba we. I want to tell her why I be don prince. Ah wa bi jere yin. Ah wa bi jere yin. When it's on. So, Fossa, don't cry, come out to make you the radio. Your sister carry alleged baby father picture. Go give one blogger, whether they call Estak Bomo, Estak Toto, this man, Jerry Ovikia. Make they write HIV for their picture. So it's time when I turn a body now. May they see the best. What you do on that person picking? May they see do to now. Whether they pain or they sweet, one of the year. So as I dey mention her name now, yeah, it's as I did. I don't know that before. The man was there, but as I did here, I dey control the whole world. As I sit down here, I dey control the whole world. All the people who dey with me, now God will bless you now. All the people where they send me information, wagari okpawo, o manuwa, wagari evao, o manuwa, no matter igbuwa, igbuwa mo. Who no fit beat una, no go beat una pikin. Anybody they plan evil against una, it no go better for them the morning. It no go better for them the afternoon. It no go better for them the evening. Estasio Kori. Estasio Kori. Lare wona a glory. Oso we gbene. Agbina gbiju e, awi ju e wune. O parabo wai. Lare o parabo wai. Mo ya la midiana. O gba we gbe. So Fossa amwegbe o. Owo no gba noru we. Merci. Awawo, oda wawo. O bi jin ya wafu, awa bi yare. Merci. Asawegbe. Asawegbe o. Asawegbe merci. Merci. Asawegbe. Otun eno wo utata ta mi media sina re na we mani sagai. Ina bi ata we mani sagai but omalawa. Any animation now, we no ladia te we no ladia. If I know na get don priest ri oge we saga. Oga ladia, ona boy. That's why I have a picture ladia. Eh merci. Otane will wake you up. When you have vekere no. No get saga is about to start. Come out for your video anywhere. To say name where I met your soul. Say not be you. If not be you, then maybe my crack tire maybe made mistake. I know say they made mistake. I mean tank crier they made a mistake. I go know say my fellow tank crier no maybe so he slide. But you come out now and tell the world say the 5 name where the prince talk. Is it your family member? Is it your people? Come out and talk. Oh, is it about to cast? Since we wear it, we magba ya mwere you egbe. Me yegbe Monica for many years. Monica eni gbe yen ba. Ama uwe no fen. We keregbe. Mo awe e fancy Monica, me mata de Monica. E Monica agwa mata na ni wu. We fancy we mata na de Monica. We time we don priest okay. Or time we don priest. Ojo na Muji station time we abeg we not get for this matter. Don priest be like best way you carry go station. Police go dey tell you say not get out of this matter. Oh, you never know. Go meet Monica say, don't please. You want to start to bring my family member out to. You want to start to now. Monica don't be na me. Monica, where? Are you not hearing me? You are not hearing me. But they make me laugh. I go make gear. You hear Monica say, where? I'm not hearing you. Are you hearing me? I'm not hearing you. What's your question, president? What's your question, president, Monica? Hey, Jodo! We not go to hear. I'm not hearing you. La, why we but what's my verse? Why we la wa? Monica's my verse. We la wa. We la wa. Pa we be you la wa. Hey, Monica, come my way. Monica, keep video with the prince. I went to prince. When me gbe Monica, daddy ku me mu, me wa mu daddy ku. He wa die, mama. He wa mu daddy ku. Ifa. Yeah. Ifa. He wa mu ku. Baba. Ekiere, nye do die. Tamu hona ne c'était de trouble. Wa wenere. I know what I'm saying. Because you're so cool. Oh, ta since they are. Oh, ta. Now, people, this evening, I will play the record. Now, the hear me so. This evening, I will play the record. You love a pass. You love a pass. Oruwe wan wagi. Love a pass. Ya gbe gbo ha idare wan gbe o. Boy ma Frank mo zwari do. Boy Frank gbe o. My people, everybody, if you want to enjoy my program, if you want to see what the app, if you never follow me, never connect with me, you are playing. I say you are playing. This evening, one of them go ready. Who never shall be Richard. No, they send me gift. Why send me a gift? I don't know why. Why I a gift today? Maybe people know say una the register for justice. Say that pretender that many pass. If you know you are not a pretender, you are a good person, go and recharge your car this evening. Man, give gallery, say, a day and nobody doesn't want money go inside. Nothing. Now, say, if I know they give me all this things, Tito no, if they carry me go up. Now, those things that they give people, Tito take carry people go up. See, man, give gallery, why have you me you way? Why have you me your way? I give gallery, you're dead, and nobody put one inside. None of they put anything inside. Anything we say, and the days I give. Your son not be get picking. Now the picking is a bastard. Is it not a shame to you? We're not taking no tear don prince. If you get any grievances or body, Baba don prince la, see what they happen. Now me will settle everything. Now me will tell that bro, see, peace go day your life. You not say no, I not call the prince, but I go this time the word the prince, but I not call her. I will call Esther because I want to bring this man down. On the way, I think I will bring it down. Well, bring it down. Bring the man down. What they see now? Make Esther don't run for live video. Esther in return. What big Esther?